Are you thinking about quitting your job? Wait. Before you do that, here are 6 things you must do to set yourself up for success when you're starting your own business. Number one, build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses. You want to ensure that you have that saved somewhere because businesses could take time for it to pick up, and you want to ensure that at least you can pay off your monthly debts. You don't want to stress yourself so much that when your business starts earning income, you're taking business income, which is supposed to be a revenue to mostly reinvest into your business. You're using it to take care of your monthly expense. You need to be able to at least save up for emergency and for the months that businesses are slow. Number two, you have to test your business idea. Most business ideas might look good to you and might sound good to you, but most times when you implement, it might not be what the marketplace is looking for. So you want to test your business idea, you want to validate it to see if your marketplace can respond positively to it. This is why most times we recommend that you start your business idea as a side hustle. You want to see if people are going to respond positively to what you're proposing, before you start implementing it. Number three, you learn how to create multiple streams of income. Your business idea most times is not limited to one stream of income. You need to understand how to unlock the different streams of income. One of the things I always recommend is that if you don't have a product or service, find people who already have a product or service. Find ways to collaborate with them. You could sell people's products and services on your own platform. Get to understand these things, get to build your own network from there, and you can transition into owning your own business. Number four, pay off high interest debt. Reduce your financial stress. The less debt you have, the more freedom to reinvest your revenue into your business. If you're going into a business with debt already, you're already killing the business because every revenue you earn from your business, you want to use it to service your debt. So it's important to deal with high interest debt early enough. Number five, build a strong network. Start connecting with potential clients and mentors. Join different communities that deals with something similar to the niche or the business idea you're looking to venture into. The truth is that no business survives without collaboration. Number six, plan your exit strategy. Set a quit date. Have a clear roadmap for your income, expenses, and business growth. If you want a full exit plan, DM me the word quit, and I'm going to send you a free guide on how to transition smoothly from your 9 to 5 to starting your own business without putting pressure on yourself. If you found this video useful, don't forget to share this video, save this video, and tag somebody who might need this video.